This poor animal was abused to death, almost, but we saved its life. Look at it. It's crying in despair. This poor animal. I can't even speak to you. This is a cat/cow. It even has udders, but we weren't showing those.
I hate animals. I hate them. I hate them. Wow.
See, this is the terrible thing. Oh my gosh!
Cats really do have 9 lives.
This poor animal has to be killed because there's not enough room for it in this world.
Oh, who cares about animals? Ready, watch. Meow, 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 meow,
These animals are played by actors. Reenactment.
meow.